2017 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows, security alarm, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, trip computer, overhead console, HD radio, panic alarm, remote keyless entry. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.